In the last video, we learned about arrays and 2D arrays. Now, we're going to learn how to organize instructions into reusable blocks. These reusable blocks are called functions. A function is like a recipe card. A recipe takes ingredients, it follows steps, then it gives a result. A function works in a similar way. It can take inputs, follow instructions, and produce an output. You can also think of a function as a mini machine. If we put 3 into a machine called double, the machine gives us 6. The machine has a name, it accepts an input, and it gives an output. Functions help us avoid repeating the same instructions again and again. Instead of writing the steps every time, we give the steps a name. Then whenever we need those steps, we call the function. A function has important parts. The function name tells us what the function does. The input gives the function information to work with. The body contains the steps. The return statement gives us back the result. Calling a function means using it. The same function can be called with different inputs. Double of 3 gives 6. Double of 5 gives 10. Double of 10 gives 20. Same function, different inputs, different outputs. A function can return a value. That return value can be stored in a variable. For example, answer equals double of 7. The function gives back 14, and 14 is stored inside answer. Function helps us organize simulations. Instead of writing the cell update rules everywhere, we can create a function called update cell. The function can take the current state and the number of neighbors, and then return the cell's next state. This makes the simulation easier to read, test, and improve. A function is a named reusable block of instruction that can take inputs and produce an output. Now, it's your turn. Choose one repeated task. Give the task a function name. Then decide what input the function needs and what output it should return.